Hello and welcome to the Republic Day event organized by the Rhythm Club of IES MCRC.
Hello everyone, I am Basavaras Pujari. Today on the occasion of Republic Day, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Today we are celebrating 72nd Republic Day of our nation. We celebrate Republic Day every year on 26 January since 1950. Why do we celebrate Republic Day? India got Independence Day on 15th August 1947, which we celebrate as an Independence Day. And on 26 January 1950, our constitution came into force, so we celebrate it as a Republic Day. Our constitution gives us various rights and responsibilities too. We live in a democratic country where people enjoy the fundamental rights. Republic means supreme power of people living in the country, and only people has the power or right to elect their representatives as a political leader to lead the country in the right direction.
Here's a short poem for our beloved country, and it goes like this. तीन रंग का नहीं वस्त्र, ये ध्वज देश की शान है, हर भारतीय के दिलों का स्वाभिमान है. यही है गंगा, यही है हिमालय, यही हिंद की जान है, और तीन रंगों में रंगा हुआ ये अपना हिंदुस्तान है. जय हिंद. Now we will be presenting various cultures of India through a dance performance.
थोड़ी सी दूर मेरी धरती की मेरे वतन की थोड़ी सी खुशबू बाराई से मस्त भवन की थोड़ी सी धोखने वाली धक 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 सांसें जिनमें हो जुनू जुनू वो बने लाल लहू की ये सब तू मिला मिला ले फिर रंग तू खिला खिला ले और मोहित रंग दे बसंती यारा मोहित रंग दे बसंती.
चुकी तेरे आगे सर तेरी गोद मेरा घर है तुझे सलाम इंडिया. चुकी तेरे आगे सर तेरी गोद मेरा घर है तुझे सलाम इंडिया.
भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे ज्यादा हिंदुस्तान हमारा है. भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे ज्यादा हिंदुस्तान हमारा है.
मेरे देश की धरती मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती. मेरे देश की धरती मेरे देश की धरती.
देश मेरे
Republic Day is celebrated all over India with great pride and zeal. It's the day to honor the Constitution of Independent India. National flag hosting at schools and colleges all over the nation is very common. In New Delhi, the President of India hosts the national flag at India Gate. Various cultural events showcasing India's struggle for freedom is seen nationwide. Grand Parade takes place at Janpath, New Delhi. This parade is presided over by the President of India, which is organized by the Ministry of Defence. This event also pays tribute to the martyrs who have sacrificed their life for this country. And now we shall be presenting to you all the perspective of a management student for the future of India.
On the occasion of Republic Day, would like to talk on few points that how we as students can make India a better place. Passion matters. The world is not changed by people who sort of care. The world is not changed by learners who sort of learn. The world is not changed by leaders who sort of lead. Sort of caring will get you run over by someone who actually does care. Sort of learning is the path to ignorance, a road that starts comfortably enough but soon leads to disengagement and despair. Who changes the world? People who are fearlessly passionate, people who are passionate and unstoppable. The world is changed by people who are fully and completely, relentlessly, sometimes unreasonably committed to something. Take your ideas seriously. We do. If students have an idea, however big or small or crazy or epic or ridiculous, we ask that they write it down, pursue it, and is most importantly, share it with others. Sharing your ideas and asking for help can change everything.
You can't do this alone. We are smarter together. Anyone that built a thriving business or led a successful project knows this already. You need to surround yourself or connect online with people who make you fulfill, that make you smarter, that support you when you succeed and love you when you fail. That constant push is only the thing that you need to be the best you can.
Dwell in possibilities. Sometimes we don't realize the impact we could have. So embrace the possibility, the insane possibility that you can make a difference in the world. These are powerful possibilities that are difficult for an adult, let alone for a student to take seriously. The moment students began to dwell in the possibilities, they are capable of so much more than they had given themselves credit for. This is the moment when creativity is unleashed. This new belief becomes contagious, and that's when possibility sets in. When students starts to realize their ideas, those possibilities just not remains a casual dream. They have possibility to work collaboratively, honor and contributions, and not let one idea or dream be held back. And with this, I would like to conclude our presentation with a small quote said by Marianne Williamson, and it goes this way. Our deepest fear is not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond measure. Thank you.
Now it's time for the national anthem, so I request you all to stand up.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
On this this auspicious occasion of 72 Republic Day, we at IES MCRC pledge that we will serve the best for our nation, and we take this oath in this way. ऐ वतन हमको तेरी कसम, तेरी राहों में जहाँ तक लुटा जाएंगे, फूल क्या चीज है तेरे कदमों में, हम भेंट अपने सिरों की चढ़ा जाएंगे। ऐ वतन ऐ वतन ऐ वतन। कोई पंजाब से, कोई महाराष्ट्र से, कोई यूपी से है, कोई बंगाल से, तेरी पूजा की थाली में लाए हैं हम फूल हर रंग के, आज हर शाख के, फूल हर रंग के, आज हर शाख के। नाम कुछ भी सही पर लगन एक है, जोत से जोत दिल की जला जाएंगे। ऐ वतन ऐ वतन ऐ वतन।